Hi, for this edition of Community Update, we're going to be on the Presumpscot River Trail with Charlie Baldwin. When you live in Portland, you don't often think of hiking opportunities, but we have one right here on the Presumpscot River. And today we're going to be joined by Charlie Baldwin, and he's going to show us the sights on the Presumpscot River Trail.
This is one of Portland Trail's most unique trails in that it is a riparian greenway that runs along one of the state's most used rivers. It's a unique green space in the city of Portland, which is home to a lot of different species of wildlife and nowadays an increasing number of native fish returning to the waterways. So aside from being a great, wonderful hike, it's a vital piece of wilderness right within the city limits. These woods are instrumental to the quality of life around here, our access to wildlands. We spend our time and our resources gaining access to or acquiring land to allow people to gain access to wildlands in the city. The preserve itself is a collaborative effort between the City of Portland, City of Falmouth, Portland Trails, and a multitude of other land conservation organizations. We all worked in order to make sure that this was developed. We saw that with the improving quality of the water, improving quality of the river itself, there would be a greater desire to use this land. And at the time it was underutilized, so it was pretty easy to get. Dam was here, this river at this point was backed up, very slow-moving warm water. That dam was built in 1735, I believe. Since then, those additional 8 dams were built, and the river went through some drastic changes. It went from a fast-moving cold water outflow of Sebago Lake to a series of internment ponds, essentially. The quality of the water and the quality of the food sources deteriorated because of those dams, and we had essentially a dead body of water from the sea to Sebago. When this first dam was removed, the Smelthill Dam, that restored to its original form the first 7 miles all the way up into Westbrook. So what we've seen in the decade, just about decades since that dam was removed, is the warm water species of fish, the bass, the bullheads moving out, and the right fish, the ones that used to be here, coming back. Shad, blueback herring, rainbow alewives, sturgeon are all coming back into the river, and it's a remarkable turnaround. out and use it. You can access all of our trail maps online at trails.org and also gain information on different hikes Portland Trails tries to put on for our members and the general public. It always constantly amazes me how quickly you get out of the city when you walk into these woods. It's a real special place.